Where are the ATP and NADPH used? We learned that the products of light reaction are ATP, NADPH, and O2. Of these, O2 diffuses out of chloroplast, while ATP and NADPH are used to drive the processes leading to the synthesis of food, more accurately sugars. This is the biosynthetic phase of photosynthesis. This process does not directly depend on the presence of light, but is dependent on the products of light reaction, that is ATP and NADPH, besides CO2 and H2O. You may wonder how this could be verified. It is simple. Immediately after light becomes unavailable, the biosynthetic process is continuous for some time and then stops. If then light is made available, the synthesis start again. Can we hence say that calling the biosynthetic phase as the dark reaction is a misnomer? Discuss this among yourselves. Let us now see how the ATP and NADPH are used in the biosynthetic phase. We saw earlier that CO2 is combined with H2O to produce CH2O and or sugars. It was of interest to scientists to find out how this reaction proceeded, or rather, what was the first product formed when CO2 is taken into a reaction for fixed just after World War II. Among the several efforts to put radioisotopes to beneficial use, the work of Melvin Kelvin is exemplary. The use of radioactive C14 by him in algal photosynthesis studies led to the discovery that the first CO2 fixation product was a 3-carbon organic acid. He also contributed to working out the complete biosynthetic pathway, hence, it was called Calvin cycle after him. The first product identified was 3-phosphoglyceric acid, or in short PGA. How many carbon atoms does it have? ओके, तो इसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है कि वेयर आर द एटीपी एंड एनएडीपीज यूज टू क्लोरोप्लास्ट में शुगर बनने की जो रिएक्शन होती है उसमें एटीपी कहाँ यूज़ होता है, एनएडीपीज कहाँ यूज़ होता है। तो इसमें लिखा हुआ है कि O2 जो है वो तो डिफ्यूज़ हो जाता है आउट ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट, लेकिन जो एटीपी और एनएडीपीएच है वो जो भी प्रोसेसेस हैं उनमें काम आता है। हाँ, बायोसिंथेटिक फेज ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस में दिस प्रोसेस डज नॉट डायरेक्टली डिपेंड ऑन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ लाइट बट इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन द प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ द लाइट रेज। ओके, तो ये जो प्रोसेस है वो लाइट पर डिपेंडेंट तो नहीं है, लेकिन लाइट की प्रेजेंस में जो रिएक्शन होती है उसके प्रोडक्ट्स पर डिपेंडेंट है, जो कि एटीपी और एनएडीपीएच है, और CO2 और H2 तो है ही। ओके, तो ये है, और फिर आगे ये कार्बन 14 के बारे में दे रखा है कि मेल्विन केल्विन ने इस पर काम किया है। फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट है वो 3-फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड है, PGA, जिसको शॉर्ट में बोलते हैं। Scientists also tried to know whether all plants have PGA as a first product of CO2 fixation, or whether any other product was formed in other plants. Experiments conducted over a wide range of plants led to the discovery of another groups of plants, where the first stable product of CO2 fixation was again an organic acid, but one which had 4 carbon atoms in it. तो साइंटिस्ट ने देखा कि ऐसा कोई और प्लांट है जिसमें कि पीजी के अलावा कुछ और बनता है, तो इनको ये मिल गया, जो कि दिस एसिड आइडेंटिफाइड एज ऑक्सैलोएसिटिक एसिड. Okay, since then CO2 assimilation during photosynthesis was said to be two main types. Those plants in which the first product of CO2 fixation is C3 acid, PGA, and C4 oxalic acid.